Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I won this at an auction uh, on eBay. I think I got this for less than $9 including shipping. So look at the design of the Zippo lighter. I didn't know that people collect this stuff, but look at the eagle, American Eagle. So today I'm gonna refill the Zippo lighter using this. It's my first time. I don't smoke, so I don't know. I just looked at YouTube on how to do it. Pull it out. Okay, there you go. Okay. And oops, it's full. Oop, too much. Okay, which side? That's it. That's it. Okay. Let it dry. Let me wipe my hands. That's it. Thanks for watching.